I'm sorry you caught me putting on my lippies. Hey everybody, it's Jeannie. Welcome to Lip Shoes and Issues. Anyway, I was just joking there, but I was putting on the NARS Do Me Baby. I actually use this as a nice thick lip liner, which is a really pretty color. It's matte, but it's not drying, and everybody knows the NARS formula. If you don't, then you should, because you should try it. It's good stuff. Nice, good, solid color. And the Do Me Baby is your color, your natural lip color, but a little darker. So that's what I like about it. And I used Milani Matte Naked as a filler. That's pretty too. It's a nude, but it's really nice. So anyway, you're gonna hear my dogs. I don't know if they're gonna be barking soon or not. I have 4 right now. I'm dog sitting one, which happens to be a sister of the puppy and the daughter of my older one. So anyway, I wanted to talk about day 3. I'm on day 3 of this new eating schedule that I decided to try this week. I decided to really change my eating habits because of my backache. I've been having a lot of backache, and, you know, inflammation and bloating, and, you know, it's like enough is enough. I'm a sugarholic, and I just want to change it, and I've decided to do that this week and see how far I can go. But I'm easing into it. So I'm easing into intermittent fasting, which I've done before, which I like intermittent fasting because I hate trying to figure out what I'm going to eat during the day, and that kind of eliminates that. And I'm going to cut out all sugar, but I'm easing into that. And I'm just gonna eat better and cut out carbs. I'm gonna ease into keto, but I'm gonna ease into it because I don't want to feel deprived, and then attack a bunch of donuts one Saturday. So I'm doing pretty good though. Monday I did well. The only thing I'd say around 2 o'clock, 2:30, I was pretty hungry, so I had some sunflower seed butter, and I had about 2 tablespoons of that. And that tied me over. And then on my way home from work, what I normally do is I eat a half a cucumber and a couple stalks of celery on my way home. I did that on Monday, and then I also did that on Tuesday. And so I kind of followed. And then for dinner Monday night, I had tuna and pan-seared tuna. And I had a vegetable and a bunch of collie tots because I'm a collie tot freak. I'm a veggie tot freak. So I eat a lot of collie tots, which are tots made of cauliflower, and they are really good, okay? I mean, better than tater tots, right? But they are not keto friendly, and I eat too many of them, all right? But again, I'm easing into this. Better than tater tots. So anyway, that was Monday. Then Tuesday, I bought a half a wrap made of turkey cheese, mayo, avocado, sprouts. I only ate half of it. And then I had French fries, and I ate a lot of French fries. Okay. But still, I didn't have an ice cream cone afterwards, which is usually normal for me. Therefore, I did pretty good with the sugar. I didn't do that great with the dinner, but I did pretty good with the fasting. Pretty good. Because I also yesterday had sunflower seed butter. It tied me over. So now today I was so busy all day that I cut down on the sugar on my coffee. I only had 1 tablespoon of the oatmeal cookie flavored coconut half and half. Only one tablespoon. And then I had regular half and half, which has no carbs. So that's what I had. And actually it was really good. It was fine. I'm finding that I'm good with that. It's sweet enough. And then I was so busy I didn't eat all day. So I did fast. I fasted all day today, which is great. And then my mother called and said that she made me chicken and dumplings and to pick it up on the way home. And gluten-free dumplings. So gluten-free dumplings, which I'm doing gluten-free. Trying to cut the carbs, but still gluten-free. And besides, when my mom makes chicken and dumplings, you don't turn it down. You just go get it. All right. Just like her breakfast. When she says she's making breakfast, potatoes, eggs, and everything. Well, okay. She makes the best breakfast. I don't care where you get breakfast, where you eat breakfast. My mother's breakfast is, okay. It's, yeah, one of a kind. I don't know what it is. She cooks those eggs and butter. I'm allergic to eggs, but I'm still going over there and I'm eating breakfast. But anyway, the chicken and dumplings, brought them home. And, okay, so, Mom, if you're watching, were those dumplings gluten-free? Because they were gooey, chewy dumplings. And I've had gluten-free dumplings, and they're dry as rice cakes. So, okay, one thing's for sure. I'm not, usually when I eat gluten, I'm sick, I'm bloated, and foggy, and a little depressed. And that's what gluten does to me in my system. I'm not foggy, I'm not depressed, I'm not bloated, and I feel fine. So, okay, they're gluten-free. I'm suggesting that you package that up and sell it because I'm thinking that there are people that are gluten-free sensitive and have celiac that should not be deprived of your chicken and dumplings. Enough said. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. But anyway, had the chicken and dumplings, did eat all of it. Big plate. I ate it all. But it's gluten-free. There's no sugar. I'm not eating dessert. I'm satisfied. I feel good. Therefore, I had coffee. I fasted. I ate chicken and dumplings for dinner. And I feel fine. And I'm good. So that's day 3. I'm proud of myself. So how are you guys doing? Are you on day 3? Or are you on day 1? Are you doing this with me? Are you doing this a year from now or 2 years from now? It's all going to be the same process either way. So just wondering if you have any advice for me or any questions, please comment below. I would appreciate it. And just want to let you know how I'm doing. And I'm just hoping that you do this journey with me. It's a journey to get healthier. It's a journey to heal your gut. And we can just learn different things together. I'm going to, sooner or later, perfect the keto. I do know that because I really do. I want to do that. I want to get rid of the inflammation in my body. But so far I feel good and I'm happy about that. So I wanted to go over one more thing with you before I sign out. And I know in my last video, I talked to you about the Kenzie IPL treatment. No, actually, I don't think I talked to you about it, but I did write in there. I texted that I'm going to start using this. So I have melasma. And, you know, that's why you'll see spots on my face sometimes, because what happens is, especially during, towards the end of the summer, my tan fades, which is really a spray tan, and you know, there's only portions of my skin that start to turn white, and there are portions of my skin that stay dark, which is why a lot of people think that I have a tan during winter, which I don't, but that's because that's my skin. That's how it is. I've got melasma, deep layers. You know, there's quite a few layers underneath where, you know, it's just spotty, like a leopard. And that's what I start to look like, a leopard sometimes, like I'm really serious. And I don't like wearing foundation all the time. So now I used to get an IPL treatment at the dermatologist or the skin doctor's office, but that is $450 to $600 a treatment, and you have to do at least 3 or 4. So that's quite expensive. And so I've been hearing some really good things about this Kenzie IPL. But what I'm hearing is it's good for hair removal. So if you see a bunch of influencers on YouTube channels and creators, they're really pushing this, and they're not being sponsored, but they're pushing this, and they're saying this really works for hair removal. I don't really have an issue with hair or peach fuzz or, you know, what, you know, many others have. But I do have the melasma issue. So this is an IPL treatment. So I'm going to try this for that. And I'm going to report back to you guys and let you know. Now, I've had this for a year. I bought it from the Nordstrom sale last year. And then, of course, it sat in my closet. You know, I mean, that's just how I do. I don't know why. But I'm glad I have it now. And I'm noticing more than ever, especially on my channels here, I'm going, whoa, what's that spot? You got to get rid of that. That's gross. But I'm keeping it real. All right. I'm not going to be fake. I'm going to keep it real. It is what it is. I don't care. I'm 57 years old. I'm going to keep it real at this stage in my life. I faked it enough in my 20s. I'm not doing it anymore. You either love me or you hate me. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to do this. The directions or instructions are to use it once a week. So I'm going to use it once a week. But I'm going to wait for my self-tanner to completely fade before I start it, because the whole point of this IPL is that the light looks for the melasma under the skin. And if you have a tan or any type of coloration inside the layers of your skin, it won't be able to find the actual melasma. So I am going to wait till all that fades. I'd say another week or two, and I'm going to try the Kenzie IPL, and I'm going to report back to you guys and let you know if it works for spots or not. If not, then I have to go back to the doctor and spend all that money, and I don't want to. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thanks for subscribing and watching my videos, and please subscribe, please comment, like the video, and give me your questions, your advice, your comments, whatever you have. I really appreciate it. Love you.